Hey guys, it's been a while since I posted anything on YouTube. Try to close this down a little bit, make it a little bit quiet. So, what happened here is I had the light stopped working. These Xenon lights, and naturally I just go and I bought brand new bulbs. I put it in. This one worked over here. This one here didn't work, and I'm like, oh crap. So I thought maybe it's a bad bulb. Swapped it around, works over there, doesn't work over here again. So did a little bit of research online, and what I found out is that there's a ballast on the back side of this light fixture assembly. Let's see if I can take this out. And it's this guy right here. So, no, sorry, no. This guy right here. So you have to take out, let's see what it looks like. It's silver looking. So in order to get to it, you basically have to take out these little screws right here. They're like 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe five screws here. This, you just push, slides off. But before you do that, just kind of disconnect your bulbs. This one just twists, and your little side marker that's like right here, that one just pulls out. That one looks just like that. It just pulls out, no twisting or anything, just pull it straight out. Okay. So, and also, yeah, you're gonna have, screw here, just to kind of get everything nice and loose. You have this screw, that screw right there, and then there's one more screw right here that you have to take out in order to slide this assembly out. And so what that unit looks like is basically like this. That's what you're looking for right there, and you see, if you look at it close up, you see there's oxidation on that on one of the pins there. Don't know what happened, but that's what caused this light not to work. So if you have those kind of problems, you swap the bulbs, works over there, doesn't work over here, and vice versa. It's most likely the ballast that's underneath right here. It kind of sucks that you have to take this whole thing down and remove it, but it's not that difficult. Just some screws and stuff, not a big deal. So anyways, so the problem I had with this light here, my wife, she got in an accident. Man, what was it, like well, not an accident, but she picked up the shovel on the road, and it cracked. You can see the damage. There's some damage here and some damage here, and basically this light, this lens cracked. So what I did is, instead of buying this whole assembly, it's kind of expensive, so I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna take this lens off, seal it myself, put it back together, and be fine. And I did just that, but I didn't do a good job sealing. So tomorrow, when I get time tomorrow, I'll take the lens off, I'll buy a new sealer, clean everything up, I'll reapply the sealer, and then this time I'm gonna actually put some pressure on this thing. I'm gonna maybe put I have some of the bags of cement out there, so I'm gonna kind of fixture this nicely in place, and then just kind of lay the bag on top of it, kind of in hope to kind of apply the even pressure across, so it doesn't. What was happening is basically the moisture will get in, and then this will fog. So anyways, if the light bulb doesn't work, swap it around. Still doesn't work, it's the ballast. Alright guys, have a good day.